Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm your host Timothy Holt, and this is our backyard. I would like to introduce you.
It's not the front yard.
I would like to introduce you to one of the young men who is helping me this summer, and that is this guy right here, my son Xander. Say hi. Hey. Hey, none of that. Come on.
It's okay.
This is Xander. He has his own YouTube channel.
What?
Yeah, that one we won't be selling.
His little face.
He has his own YouTube channel. You should check him out. He likes to play video games like Minecraft and play with the hose, of course. But right now,
That's not on the channel though.
he also helped build this wash station, and these are our first radish crops of the season.
Hey, look, that one's all bad.
Yeah, we'll keep that one, eat it ourselves. But this wash bin and these radishes are going to be the subject of this video. So this is a drying rack, simple design. We have 2x3s.
Last time I used this to sort dirt.
And we have used it to sort dirt, but we washed it to use it as a drying rack this time. There's chicken wire on here, and then it's just simply wired stapled.
You washed it to the rain wash it all.
Very simple. And then this is our wash station for now. Again, use 2x4s and 2x3s, salvaged from some pallets. And this is a 50-gallon rain barrel. Food grade blue rain barrel.
You might want to wash up your camera.
It's good.
Oh, it's all wet.
Rain barrel that we cut in half on the horizontal. And then it also has a drain hole in the bottom, which you can see right there. So very simple design and highly effective. And then obviously the garden hose. I think we spent a total of about $3 for the screws on this, maybe. We bought the screws in a 5-pound box, and we've been using them.
Of course we didn't use that. We would use that.
Otherwise, everything is salvaged.
We used it for that too.
The rain barrel was salvaged from previous, and then all of the wood came from pallets that we took apart. We are currently washing and drying and then sorting these as we go. So these over here, they're still nice radishes, but as Xander pointed out, some are split. We're not going to be selling the split ones.
Especially not the one that looks like face. Maybe they're going to sell for the most looking face one.
And we're going to eat those. And then over here are the other ones. Now some aren't that big like that one, but then we get like that, which is a gorgeous radish. Okay, there's another split one right there. We'll set that off. However, we harvested all of what we planted in those 2 rows, and right here, this is going to be our chicken feed. Yeah, this is going to be our chicken feed. So anything that's too small for us to sell or eat is going to go in here, and then the chickens will eat all of it, the greens, the whole works.
Hello, chicken.
So thank you for tuning into this video and this week's installment.
Wait.
What?
What about the greenhouse?
Oh, yeah.
Hello, chicken.
Xander wanted to point out that we have made a lot of progress on the greenhouse. As you can see, we're still missing 2 rafters. I think I covered that in a previous video, but that is going to be the greenhouse. We will be getting some shade cloth over the top of it to help keep the heat of the summer, but it's been pretty nice out, so we haven't done that yet. And then we still have some seedlings in these trays. These are actually our late germinating pepper plants. As you can see, they're pretty tiny. So if we get any crop from them, that will be great. If not, oh well, that's the way things go. But there they are. And then our peas, this half of the radish bed here, coming up to here, we pulled out these 2 rows, which will give us about 10 bunches, 10 to 15 bunches of radishes. And then our peas have these guidelines now. We may or may not plant another crop of radishes in these beds. We may just let the peas fill in. We'll see. But as always, thank you for tuning in, and get out and grow something today. May God richly bless you.